We have a simple pony bead stretchy bracelet today tutorial with some flower large hole beads. These are available on the website www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. Now I'm going to measure 14 inches and I'm going to take my bead clip and put it on the end. This is just a stationary clip. Okay, so we're going to start with a pink. I'm just going to work my way through. What colour now? Lilac. Blue. These are from the range and they were, I think they were $6.99, so absolutely fabulous. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I have so many tutorials available. I'll go yellow. Is that all the colours? We've got that one, blue, purple, that one, lilac, nice bright yellow, although they're not too bright, are they? Yellow and then green, and we'll go back through that colour again. Blue, purple, blue, white, green, yellow, white, lilac, yellow, green. I'm just going to see how long it is. It's very hard to see on the black. Okay. Average size bracelet is, the average size wrist for an adult is 7 inches. So we give it a good stretch and then we're ready to tie. So we do a knot like that, pull. Then we go through twice, pull. Then we are going to go this way. We'll go through this way, pull, and then one for luck. And then we're going to snip. Who says pony beads are just for children? Never too old. So thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for the next pony bead tutorial. Take care, bye.